Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, today we will be doing at-home press-on nails. I got the Beetles gel polish coffin ballerina full cover nails, and I am so excited to begin this tutorial for you guys. So as you guys can see on the side, I already chose my nails that fit me, sidewall to sidewall, and I already buffed them off camera with an e-file inside and out. And here what I'm just doing is I'm buffing my own nails before applying the actual full cover nail tips. Okay, so right here, all I am doing is applying the nail glue inside the nail, and then I will just be applying it to my nail plate. So as you guys can see, it's very simple to do. And by the way, that nail glue I literally got at Dollar Tree. It was 2 for $1. It works excellent. I have no complaints of it. So right here, I'm just securing down the nail, pressing down on it for a couple seconds and making sure it's in place. So here you guys will just see me repeat the same process. So I hope you guys enjoy. So here I'll just be using the Diamond Cuticle Medium Grit Nail Bit to buff out the top of the nail to blend it in for a more plush look. So that's what I will be doing for all the nails. So as you guys can see right here, this is the process that I am showing. All I'm using is one polish, and this one's from the Dollar Tree and my Amazon Rhinestones. They are so good. I definitely recommend those rhinestones. They're really shiny. I love them, and I think they were only like, I don't know, but they were an affordable price. I will have everything linked down below. And by the way, guys, here I'm just lightly filing the sides of the nail, just crisping up the sides very gently, very lightly, not too much, because they already have a very nice shape, as you guys can see. So this is what I am doing here. So now I'm just grabbing my polish of choice, and I decided to get a makeup wedge because it is an easier method to paint your nails if you do struggle painting your nails, because I'm not gonna lie, I struggle myself as well. So this is an easier method. It just is a bit messier because at the end you do have to go and clean up your cuticle area with a random brush you have laying around with some alcohol or acetone. But it's a very good method to get really nice nails if you're not the greatest painter. So these are what the nails look like after 3 coats of polish. So as you guys can see, I definitely love this color. It's like a really nice nude type of color. So now I will just go off camera and clean the cuticle area with a random paintbrush that I have, and I will be back. These are what the nails look like after I went off camera and cleaned around the cuticle area. As you guys can see, they look very nice and neat. Now I'm gonna go in with the Gershon gel top coat. As you guys can see, I'm just showing you guys here how I'm applying my top coat, and then I'm gonna add some rhinestones on top before curing the gel polish, just as an adhesive to the rhinestones. Here I begin to apply the rhinestones. By the way, like I said earlier, I really recommend these rhinestones. They're on Amazon and I will link them down below. But as you guys can see, this I pretty much just freestyled it. Whatever came up at the top of my head for each nail, that's exactly what I did. And I just hope you guys enjoy this process. Now this is the final step, just applying cuticle oil in all my cuticles, and then I will show you guys the final result of the nails. These are what the nails look like. I really love them. I think they're very beautiful and they're glamorous and very blingy, so it was something different that I tried out this time, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.